Hey everyone! Oh my goodness, I know it's like long overdue for a video, but that's okay. I'm back, and I don't know how long I'll be before I'll come back again, but yeah. Today is the first time I'm actually going to be doing a get ready with me video. Actually, I've never done one, so I'm pretty excited to show you what the process is for me to get ready before I actually do a makeup tutorial. As of right now, I'm actually starting off with shaving my facial hair, just so I have a smoother canvas when I'm applying my foundation. I don't want like, you know, all that manly stuff all over my face. Now, anyways, I don't really have a preference of what kind of shaving cream and razor I use, but if you have any recommendation that you think will work best for me, comment down below so that way I can, give it a try and give you guys a review of what I think. Anyways, so I have great news. I just recently bought a house with Steven. Yay! So that's also one of the reasons why I've been MIA. And it's a big process. Right now we're trying to renovate and everything. I want to do a series of my home transformation tour and whatnot. So if you guys would like to, just thumbs up and just let me know in the comment down below, so that way I can kind of plan out and see what I can do to show you like the surprise in my home. Anyways, so I am reshaping my eyebrows. This is definitely the best way for me to shape my eyebrows, I guess you can say it like that, and my facial hair to smooth out my skin and basically to shave off all that dead skin on my face. So usually I would pluck my eyebrows and it takes longer to do and it hurts. So this is definitely better, way better. Now I'm actually going in with my grapefruit extract cleanser by Neutrogena, and I love grapefruit extract. Is because they have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, and it's so useful. It's great for like skin infection, acne, just clogged up skin oil that needs to be unclogged. So that's like the best, and it's very affordable. And the type of brush I'm using over here is by Devol Radiant Spin Care System. And it comes with 4 interchangeable accessories: the facial exfoliation brush, the large body cleansing brush, the facial cleansing brush, and the Prumence Stone. And I'm loving the facial cleansing brush. It's so soft on the face and it's battery powered. What's great is that it's very soft to the face, and it's also very versatile, so you don't really have to use it for cleansing. There's other ways you can use it too. If you guys would like to purchase it, I do have a promo code of 70% off, and it's going to be today. So just go ahead and take a look at the description box below for more information. That way you guys can purchase it. Anyways, moving on. So now I'm just going to tie up my hair. I will be leaving my bangs out, just so that way I can help blend the wig that I normally use with my hair, so that way you guys can tell. Most of the time people do ask me where I get my wigs from, how come it looks so realistic, but girl, it takes some time for you to find that routine. And so as of now, you see I'm actually taking my lace front wig. I'm not actually going to put the whole wig over my whole head. I'm only doing it to maybe 2/3 of part of my head, but my bangs will still be out. And I know this hair is frizzy. I've overused it, I've cut it, I've done so much today. I've even put heat on it. I know, it's time for me to get a new wig. If you guys have any wig recommendation as well, put that in the description box below, so that way I can check that out and give it a try. So the ponytail actually gave me a weird little lump on my crown. So I'm gonna do a little bit of like that, like a soft half up do, just to even it out so you guys, you know, in photos or in videos, it's not gonna look crazy. You guys see how like my bangs and my lace front wig really blends in, and yeah, in a way you can kind of tell, but also you can't tell unless like, you know, because I told you, now you can tell. So, you know, yeah. First things first, now I'm going straight into the makeup. First thing I'm going to be using is my primer. So, I'm not going to really go too much into details about the primer I use, but just know that I use a more of a waxy base because I need that drier feel rather than getting like a serum, especially because my skin right now, as of right now, it is producing a little bit more oils because of the summertime. And then I'm going to be going over with my primer stick by e.l.f. You don't need to spend so much money on getting a primer. That thing is amazing. So, you know, try before you judge it. And I'm using the e.l.f. Foundation. And this foundation is the acne fighting foundation in beige. I know like this foundation doesn't really have that many color choices, so the color I went with was beige. It is a little bit more orangey than what I prefer, but it still worked. It really oxidized into my skin, and it definitely covered up my pores. And now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Concealer. It's more of a dupe of the Shape Tape, and I do like it. It is affordable. The color I'm using, I believe it was Sand, and it's great. I love it. It's easily blendable, and also it is, you know, got that coverage going on. Very inexpensive, super easy to blend, super easy to work with, and I like how this concealer comes in variety, like more color choices than what e.l.f. normally goes for. So you guys, if you guys haven't tried it out, drive to your local drugstore or Walmart, Target, and go find it. So now I'm gonna cheat it a little bit with my Bare Minerals powder. I never use any type of foundation without this powder. No matter what foundation it is, this powder is my life. I'm so comfortable with it that it's hard for me to change it. Yes, I used other powders before, but I've always gravitated toward this one because it just gives me that coverage that I like. So now, going in with my brow marker. Yes, brow marker. I've changed it to brow marker because it's easier to draw in my eyebrows, and on top of that, it's not too dark, it's not too heavy, and it's also very blendable. So what I'm using is the Revlon brow marker in medium brown, and you see how it's very strong on the eyebrows, but not like bam, like Chola eyebrows over there. Like you didn't just Sharpie them on. It's perfect. It's super easy to draw on your eyebrows. You just need to be able to tame the shape of your natural eyebrows, so that way it's easier to draw. And what's great is that the bottom of that Revlon brush, it's the highlighter, and I forgot my camera like turned off on me, so I wasn't able to show that. Now, with my James Charles palette, I did go in with the natural color to blend on my eyelids, and then afterwards, now I'm using that nice hot pink color all over my eyelids, just to give that pop of color today. I wanted to go with something a little bit more fun. I always go with brown and blues and black, so I want to change it up a little bit this time. I am going a little bit generous on the color, but that's okay because when you apply other colors later, it's kind of going to fade away and you just need to build it up again. So that's why I'm going a little bit heavier with my fluffy brush, and I'm using all of my brushes from Amazon because I'm bougie on a budget, you know. So now with a little bit of a smaller fluffy brush, I'm taking that darker color. It has more of a purpley shade color tone to it. So I'm using that to darken the outer V of my eyes to give it some depth. Just build it until you're very satisfied with it, okay? Alrighty. See that? See how beautiful that is? Do not put any of the color onto the clean part of the eyes because we're going to be putting the highlighter shade later. Now with the more espresso brown, I'm going to apply that basically to the outer V again because I want it a little bit extra dark. Not really used to, you know, a light, soft definition. I want something a little bit stronger to kind of bring out that pink color even more. So take your time, blend as you go, and don't go heavy-handed, please, because if you go heavy-handed, you're gonna mess it up and you're gonna have to start all over. That feeling is so cringe and you're just gonna be like, ugh. Now with the clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend everything out. But you notice how that brown really made that pink, hot pink color pop out more? Yes. Okay, so you see I'm just taking a pencil brush and I'm applying that hot pink to the lower lash of my eyes so that way it evens out to the top and the bottom. You know, it's optional. If you don't want to do it, you know, you don't have to. Now I'm going to be taking a shimmer shade very close to a pinky iridescent color, and I'm just gonna blend that to the clean part of my eyes. But I'm also actually gonna be taking that pink color to help blend in with that shimmer color, so it doesn't look like, you know, it doesn't look, so that way it kind of looks like it comes all together instead of, you know, being harsh. Now with my Benefit liquid liner. Sorry, my dogs are barking in the background. Excuse that. They're playing. Anyways, I tried the Benefits gel pointer pen liner before. Did not like it. Not at all. Yes, I was very hesitant to use this eyeliner, but when I did, you have no idea. It was amazing. It was just breathtaking to me. It's so dark. It's better than the Stila and the Kat Von D. So look at how easy it is to wing my eyes with it because the pointer line is just spot on. And now with my e.l.f. pencil liner, I'm just gonna line the inner corner. That way it kind of brings out the shape of my eyes without having to I don't know how to explain it. Basically, it just defines the eye shape better. Everyone loves the way I contour. I don't know what I do. I just normally just go in a W for the most part. I'm using the NYX ombre. They call it the ombre blush, but it looks like a bronzer to me, so I use that as a bronzer. And then I'm gonna go over with the Milani Rose color blush, just to help, you know, give me some color on my face. I like to pat it with a brush and then go over it with my fingers. The warmth of my fingers help blend it out a lot better. You know, I got that Asian nose that I need to contour, right? Yeah. So taking, you know, that light brown color, I'm just gonna blend that from my eyebrows, going down, and then afterwards, that's it. Lining the lips, I always skip that, but I realize it's very important because it helps, gives a guideline when you are applying your lip color. Whew. You know, you don't need to spend so much money on it. Just get, like, you know, you can even get what, NYX or even Wet n Wild, and it works just great. Yeah, if you guys are Vietnamese and you listen to Vietnamese music, you'll know this singer Ngoc. She came out with a collection of lipstick in Vietnam called Moi. Moi means lip. I love the color. the her collection is amazing. When I got my hands on this lipstick, you have no idea. It's so amazing. It is a matte finish, but it lasts a long time. I could wear this lipstick for hours and it still stay. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. I forgot to do my false lashes. Excuse me. But I'm using the e.l.f. Drama Queen Luxe lashes right now. It is a little bit more dramatic than usual. Normally I go with the e.l.f. Whaley lashes, but I really like these lashes and it goes really well with this look. Now I'm just using my straightener and just blending all my hair out because the whole makeup tutorial is pretty much done. Just, you know, making sure my hair is defrizzed because it looks kind of funky right now. And pretty much that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, this is the first time I'm just sitting here just talking to you guys. And it is nerve-wracking, but I mean, I gotta do it sometime now. What do you guys think of this look? It's very Barbie, pop of color, very summery as well. I love it. I'm pretty much like blown away. But don't forget to thumbs up if you like this look. Subscribe for more videos, please, cause you know your boy needs it. But also follow me on my social media if you guys want to keep up with all of my daily lives, see what I'm doing with my life. You know, that's all. But bye.